Hey, it's me, Tinker, and this is Bill the Builder Bot. And today in Tinkerland, we're gonna be making these super cool ocean jellyfish. And we'll show you how you can make one at home too. Come on. To make our jellyfish, we'll need a paper plate, plastic tablecloths, and some string and ribbons. We'll take our paper plate and set it down like this. And then we'll need some construction paper. This is called butcher paper. It's like really big construction paper. And you can also use a brown paper bag, or you can use plastic bags, just something that we can crush up. Crush it up. We'll just crush it up like this and put it on top of our plate, and this will be the head of our jellyfish. Now to cover it, we're gonna use some plastic tablecloth, and you can make your jellyfish whatever color you want. I'll just spread it out and keep it nice and folded, and then we'll cut out a nice square. There we go. We can open this up, and it's really, really long, but we're gonna use half of it for the head part, so let's cut another section. Now let's take the head, we'll lay it over the top here, and flip the whole thing over. And now we'll take the corners like this, and we'll just tie them, kind of like you're tying your shoelaces. Or you could tape it to the plate if you don't know how to tie. Turn it and take this, wrap it around, and now we can just tuck in all these little bits right here until you don't see the plate anymore. Now we need to make all of the tentacles. So to do that, we're gonna take another paper plate and we're gonna cut a circle. Let's draw a circle to cut out. Or you could use a piece of construction paper, and we're gonna make all the tentacles attached to this. And to make our tentacles, I'll use another piece of plastic tablecloth like this. And I'll take my scissors and I'll just cut some strips all the way up. But not all the way, I wanna leave a little bit right here. And I'll just keep doing that the whole way. 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now when I lift this up, you've got a whole string of all of these cool jellyfish tentacles. Now let's wrap that around our piece of construction paper or piece of plate. So I'll just wrap this around like this, tape it on, roll it around, and tape it. Perfect. And now we can add some more. Let's add some of this yarn and some of this ribbon that people use for presents. I like to just put it around my arm like this. And then we'll cut it right here. And now we've got a bunch that are equal length. We'll tape these right here on the outside. Nice. And then let's add this colorful pink yarn too. And let's put this on the inside. So I'm just gonna open it up here, go on the inside of our circle, right here in the middle. I'm gonna tape all of these at once with a bunch of tape. And when we hang it down like this, all of the textures come together. Now let's tape this to the head of our jellyfish right here. So we'll just flip it over, place it in the middle, and then just take some pieces of tape and tape it on. Wow, look at our cool jellyfish. Now, if you want to do a special trick, I like to take these right here. Look closely. Take this and just pull it a little bit and stretch it out. Just come along and stretch out and rip it a little bit. And it helps create this texture that a real jellyfish has in the ocean. And when you do it to the whole thing, it looks a lot more like a real jellyfish. Wow, look at that. How cool. We made our own jellyfish, and you can make these in all types of different colors. And if you want to hang it from the ceiling, just add a little bit more ribbon. We put one right there. And then just take all 3 ribbon pieces and loop it around to create a little knot. And now you can hang it from your ceiling. You can put this in a bedroom, but we're gonna hang these from these umbrellas and make them wave around in the wind. I love our jellyfish. It's so cool, and it turned out great. And you can make your own jellyfish at home. Try using whatever string or ribbon you can find. And if you don't have any plastic tablecloth, you can always use a plastic trash bag that's white or clear. Jellyfish come in all different colors in the ocean, so be creative and have fun and see what you can come up with. Well, it's time for us to go now, but we'll see you back in Tinkerland real soon. Until next time, see you later, friend, and happy building. I know, Bill, look how it turned out. There's lots more ocean creature crafts over on the Tinker and Friends YouTube channel, where we're making jellyfish, crabs, fish, and sea turtles that you can make at home.
Plus, see Tinker and Bill construct a giant octopus in the park, all out of cardboard. It's all part of our Ocean Week celebration here on Tinker and Friends. See you there.